with you. Hi. Hello. You're so well behaved. Hi, how are you? Good to see you.
We're the Despains. I'm Jay. This is Laura. We've been married 28 years. It's been a wonderful house. It has great bones. It's time to put the house on the track to get it fixed up so that we can enjoy the next 10 years together in a space where we can have friends come over.
All right, so how much do you guys have set aside for the project?
We have $120,000 set aside to do roughly 4 or 5 rooms.
What about outside? Is this one of the areas?
This is. We don't really love the brick color.
Okay. There's so much roof line. It just now is like dark, 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 dark. You know,
Right.
so I think if we lighten it up, that'll really help everything. What about the steps? I'm seeing there's some tile. Should
Yeah.
What about your doors? Do you like the doors?
Please take them with you when you leave today. Yeah, that's
Today.
Yes, today.
Okay, so out here, the plan is to paint the brick, touch up the trim as well, some new front doors, and replace this tile, and then just refresh the landscaping.
Yes, that would be great.
Okay,
Check it out.
Come on in.
Okay.
Here we are. Okay, so this is your entry.
The entryway, and then when we show you the fireplace, you'll see like this is leftover stone that Jay just incorporated here.
You did this?
This was
Yes.
my warm-up wall.
So you did this. So do you want to keep this wall? Or
No.
are you okay with it leaving?
No.
All right, we'll knock down this wall to really open up the entrance to the living room. But we are going to need to keep these posts for support.
Yes.
Easy enough.
Yep.
All right, so then let's go in here. Living room.
Living room.
And you did this too?
Yes, that beam came out of a barn in Michigan.
Okay.
Oh,
It's
cool.
hand-hewn,
Yeah.
and I was born in Michigan, so it's...
Oh, that's so
yeah.
cool.
But one of our major problems in here is we don't have enough lighting. So if we could open this wall up, that would be
Right.
wonderful. It'd make
Okay.
the kitchen and this room connect. That would be
Right.
huge.
Bring that light, bring light
That
in.
light.
And light
in
from
that-
that wall, if you
Yes.
could figure that out too. It's a
Yes.
French door that only one door opens.
Can I check it out?
Yeah, please. But
Okay.
watch that first step.
Oh my gosh. You're not kidding at all. My goodness, look at this.
Oh, wow. Do we like
We
the view?
like the beam.
Yeah.
The beam's
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah, we actually do. It kind of has a lodge feel,
Uh-huh.
which we kind of both like a little
Okay.
bit.
Okay.
A modern lodge.
All right, first we need to open up this wall into the kitchen to connect these spaces, and it'll let some light in. And then we'll embrace that modern lodge feel by adding some rustic wood elements on the ceiling and the trim work. We'll refresh the walls with some bright white paint and give you new French doors to access the backyard.
All right, come on in the kitchen.
Okay.
So then this is the wall that you would want to take out.
Yes, that
Okay.
is the wall that's the beige wall on the other side.
Got it.
Okay, the kitchen.
First of all, the blue tile.
What would
Do
you
you
prefer?
want
Yeah.
tile or do you want wood to tie in?
You know
with
what? The
everywhere
wood
else?
would be nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just not tile up here.
Yes.
Yes,
I
we
am
have
so
plenty of
over
tile.
white
yeah.
tile.
We've got a sink here, which it's been hanging on. This, I mean, it makes that clicking noise
Doesn't ever
nonstop.
turn on. So do you like to cook? Tell me how
I
you
love to cook, but I have to cook certain things the day before
Right.
because of the stove.
When we bought the house, we had a list of things that we wanted to do. And then her second bout of cancer kicked in and everything was put on hold. 10 years later,
Yeah.
it's time to finally get the kitchen that she's been looking forward to for so long. And I'm just thrilled you guys are here.
I want to hear like, this is what I want out of my kitchen, because all that you guys have gone through, that's what we want to give you.
I do want cabinetry that goes from the floor to the ceiling with pull-outs.
Okay.
After I had my double mastectomy, like I can't reach up high and pull like heavy things down.
Okay.
Yeah, 'cause she has
Impossible.
limited
Mobility,
upper
yes.
arm mobility,
Yeah.
so that would
Okay.
help to have pull-outs that she can get the big heavy things.
So like the mixer and that kind of stuff.
Perfect.
All right, we are gonna rebuild your dream kitchen. We'll start with floor-to-ceiling cabinetry and an open pantry, which I do want to keep a creamy white to give it that classic feel. Hardwood floors to replace your tile, a gorgeous new range, new fixtures, white quartz counters, and maybe a darker island to add some contrast.
Perfect.
Okay.
Okay.
This is a nice big space. This is great. I'm just thinking budget purposes so we don't have to extend the roof line. If we just had this space as your screened-in porch where it's kind of like a cozy little hangout, outdoor living, and then this space becomes more of your
Grilling, outdoor, to the
kitchen
pool.
kind of, does that work?
That's great.
We like to have people come over. We barbecue
Uh-huh.
Okay.
all the time.
That's awesome. Up top, we'll give you a nice cozy screened-in porch, and then we'll add steps down to an awesome grilling area and dining space.
The only other add, if you could work in, would be a swing out here for Laura, because she loves those big cushy
porch swings. Yes, I do too. All right.
Love it.
This is our chance to come in and release them of all the stuff that they've wanted to do and make some of those dreams a reality. And so to be a small part of that is a joy for us. Good morning.
I'm ready to do it. I'm in a good mood.
So nothing out here, guys. We're gonna just paint,
Well, that's a good
re-brick,
start.
no demo. All right, plan in here.
Yeah.
We need to figure out where this wall starts, the opening, and where it ends, because I would love to have this open today.
Well, I think for now, we just go from here as far over as we can go there.
We have a pretty dark living room, a fairly large kitchen, but it's blocked off.
All right, here we go.
We need to get some light into the living room.
Yeah.
And then reorient the kitchen a little bit.
There.
Okay, but it's not centered on the beam. I think it's important to center up on that beam, but on the flip side, we have to figure out what that means for the kitchen on the other side of the wall. Yeah.
And then you'll figure out the layout of the cabinet.
Yeah, it just needs, yes, agreed, yeah.
Tomato.
All right, but otherwise, it's great. Look how much light's in here now.
Hey, you know there used to be an opening here?
Really? Oh, yeah.
Used to be a doorway through here.
Oh.
We're just bringing it back.
Bringing it back, Dave, bringing it back.
At the Despains, the kitchen is opened up, which is letting a lot more light in, and we're tying the two spaces together with uniform hardwood floors. Work is continuing on the back deck. New brick is going in on top of those dated tiles in the entryway. And we're putting up drywall in the kitchen to make way for the new kitchen cabinet.
Dave,
Yeah.
I want to talk to you about this mantle.
Okay.
We need to save this
I know.
because
I love it.
he loves it and it's very special and he made this. But I want to take it down because it's too small. I think it's just that it was a really cool beam, so he made it work. But what I want to do is make a big mantle that looks like stone to tie in with all of the stonework. And I think the best way to do it is to use concrete. But I'm thinking we can take this, walk with me, and actually take this piece off and we'll wrap this hood with that mantle wood.
That'd be cool.
Now that the mantle's off the fireplace, crews are installing the new wood treatment on the ceiling of the living room, and they're wrapping the faux beams at the entrance of the kitchen for a cozy lodge feel that Laura really wanted. We're also painting the house a creamy white to brighten up the exterior. And I'm on my way to Frank's Metal Shop to talk about an idea I have for the Despain's new kitchen island. Frank!
How are you, Jenny?
I like your new spot.
Thank you.
Frank is our go-to whenever we have any sort of metal project. And I would love to create a really unique island for the Despain home. So we have an island, right? And then on this one side, maybe we roll it. So it's kind of a waterfall edge on this side. And then I can have Dave build a couple wood shelves in here. So now how does this work? So what would we do?
Well, what I'll probably have to do is roll, because that's a long piece. Is roll and then marry it together.
Okay, we're laying out this island. It's something that Laura, I think, is gonna love, but it's also gonna be very unexpected. It's something that is just different. You know, a lot of things get done over and over and over. It's kind of a workout. It's getting harder the higher it gets. But you know, sometimes you just wanna mix it up. I like it. Perfect.
All right.
I think that's so cool. So the steel feels very industrial right now looking at it, but once we paint it and then we add these really nice shelves that Dave is gonna make with the wood, it's going to be so cool.
So this house is coming along really nicely.
All right, may I have to pull it towards you?
Yep, come towards me.
Come on with your bad self.
It looks so good.
The paint looks great. The exterior's coming together.
I hardly even recognize the house. I mean, it's just paint, but It's totally different.
Yeah.
It looks awesome.
The deck is coming along. I have no idea what it was before because it was non-existent when we showed up.
Remember a few weeks ago? That was a death trap.
Yes, it was. So we had nowhere to go but up.
She's gonna have her swing up here, and he's gonna be down here grilling and bringing her food to eat on her swing. It's gonna be perfect.
Sounds amazing.
Sounds amazing. I feel like it's a perfect setup. Inside, the hardwood floors are getting a light gray wash stain to keep things bright and modern. And we're giving Jay and Laura new quartz countertops that won't chip or stain like their old tile counters. So the way that he had originally built this wrap, we're gonna take this off and replace it with this old mantle, and the scale of this is really nice. The repurposed mantle hood brings that modern chalet vibe into the kitchen. We've got a gorgeous new range for Laura that's a huge upgrade from our old one. And not only is the black steel island unique, it also adds contrast.
Now comes the concrete.
The new custom concrete mantle is the perfect fit for Jay's stone fireplace.
All right.
Love it.
And we're adding similar stacked stones to Jay's grill area. This is like a legit pizza oven. It's about time to give Jay and Laura back their home. And I cannot wait. It looks so good. It is truly beautiful inside. The modern chalet, I think we did it. I think we pulled it off. I think it looks amazing. It's very unique. It looks like a big piece of stone, which is what I wanted. I love it. And these are perfect because now they can hang their stockings. This wasn't a huge demolition house where we tore down a bunch of walls and reworked the entire structure. It was really just updating the space that was already here. And I think they're gonna love it.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh gosh.
Wow.
I love it.
Really?
Oh, it is so beautiful.
I wasn't sure about painted brick, but I do like it.
I love it.
It looks great.
And the front door.
I love that natural wood up there.
Oh my gosh. It's beautiful.
We'll follow you.
Okay, go ahead. All right.
Wow. Oh,
Oh my gosh.
Go in.
It's not the same house.
This is not the same house. This is so amazing. Oh, wow. It's so beautiful. I love all the wood. Oh, the no more wall.
No more beige wall. That's what caught my attention. I'm like, that big giant beige wall is gone forever.
Wow. Oh.
Wow.
Oh, wow. I really love it. It's so beautiful, and it's exactly what I would have wanted.
Again, it's like I'm not even in the house.
Oh, wow.
Go check out your stove.
Oh my Lord.
Remember you had one
gosh.
that didn't work?
I didn't have one that worked.
You recognize that?
Oh,
That's it?
That's your mantle.
Wow.
oh, that is so sweet that you guys repurposed it in here.
We should probably go outside.
Yeah.
Remember, there used
Okay.
to be that big drop off.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
so go
I'll
ahead.
follow
We'll
you.
follow you.
Okay.
Go for it.
All right. Oh, this is awesome.
Oh.
Wow. With pizza. So you wanted a few nights off from cooking on your stove, I can see.
We're ready to have great friends just come over and have pizza parties.
And the deck. It's
Oh,
great.
yes, the deck. Wow. This is going to be used a lot.
Yeah, hopefully.
I'm not sure there are words to really fully describe what I'm feeling because it's just so uniquely different than what we had before. And always loved the bones of the house, but just knew it could be something more. If you ask me what my favorite thing about the house is, it's the joy in her face when she walked in that kitchen and saw it.
Thank you.